emergence of GenAI as a topic in boardroom discussions reflects a growing recognition of the profound impact that artificial intelligence and generative models are having on various industries and sectors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. GenAI for generative AI encompasses a broad range of AI technologies that are capable of creating content, generating text, images, music, and even entire virtual world. GenAI technologies can accelerate the innovation process by automating creative tasks such as design, content creation, and product prototyping. Companies may explore using generative models to develop new products, services, and experiences that meet evolving consumer preferences and market demands. Generative models can analyze vast amounts of data and extract meaningful insights that inform decision making processes. Boardroom discussions may focus on how Gen AI can help companies derive actionable insights from data to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and identify new business opportunities. Today, enterprises establish dedicated AI innovation labs or centers of excellence to drive experimentation, research, and development of Gen AI solutions. These innovation hubs will serve as incubators for new ideas, technologies, and business models, fostering a culture of continuous innovation and collaboration with clients and partners. Secondly, enterprises will collaborate with a diverse ecosystem of partners, including technology vendors, startups, academia, and industry consortiums, to accelerate Gen AI adoption and innovation. Co innovation initiatives, joint ventures, and strategic alliances will enable companies to leverage complementary expertise, resources, and market insights to drive collective progress in AI. A report shows that there is high adoption of RAG, retrieval augmented generation architecture pattern for Gen AI projects reflects a shift towards leveraging cloud based infrastructure and services to build AI solutions. While major cloud providers offer a basic tech stack for RAG patterned AI proof of concepts, developers still face several challenges in ensuring the accuracy, efficiency, and security of these projects. Moving forward, the alignment of enterprise data strategy with the needs of Gen AI reflects a critical evolution in how organizations harness data to drive innovation and competitive advantage. In 2024, several key trends and priorities are expected to shape enterprise data strategies. Let's look into today's headlines. Reliance Jio surpasses China Mobile as world's largest data operator. Reliance Jio, after surpassing China Mobile, is now the largest mobile operator globally in terms of data traffic. Jio has released its quarterly statistics, which include astounding figures and accomplishments across a range of categories. As of March 2024, Jio boasts a subscriber base of 481.8 million, out of which 108 million subscribers are on Jio's True 5G standalone network. US restricts visas for 13 spyware developers and their families. The Department of State has begun to impose visa restrictions on mercenary spyware makers and peddlers, preventing them admission into the United States. 13 people and their immediate relatives, spouses, and kids have been connected to commercial spyware activities since the start of the raid. These visa restrictions, which are enforced in accordance with Immigration and Nationality Act Section 212A3C, enable the Secretary of State to reject visa applications whose admission would have a negative impact on US foreign policy. Legrand has acquired NetRack and Innovation. Legrand is actively implementing its development strategy with two acquisitions in the promising areas of assisted living, healthcare, and data centers, further strengthening the group's leadership in its faster expanding segments. The two companies Innovation is a Dutch leader in healthcare software, and NetRack is an Indian specialist in server and network rack manufacturing. Government receives a special dividend from TCIL of 3,443 crore rupees. Telecommunications Consultants India Limited TCIL, a public sector company under the Ministry of Telecom, has paid a special dividend of 3,443 crore rupees to the government. TCIL was founded in 1978 and has been a profitable engineering and consulting firm ever since. The government has allocated 48,000 crore rupees to central public sector companies CPSECs as dividends for the current fiscal year. UiPath enhances its presence in India with new data centers in Pune and Chennai. UiPath has launched two new data centers in Pune and Chennai as part of its global expansion initiative. These data centers will host UiPath services such as intelligent document processing, artificial intelligence applications, code automation, and more, all accessible to customers as software as a service offerings. UiPath Automation Cloud will offer enhanced services to customers and partners in the Indian market. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.